Welcome to Evergreen Construction. I'm excited to show you our offices. Come on in. This is Steve, my partner and VP of Construction, and Steve runs everything in the field. Why don't you tell him what you do, Steve?
Well, typically I usually run all the men and the material and the subcontractors out in the field. Today I'm putting on a different hat. Barbara and I saw a project that they actually came to us and asked us to design build. So between Barbara and myself, we're picking contractors that can design the project, build it. We're seeking architects that can help us get a sign off on it. It's basically a rendering that we're going to take right to the finish line. So we're getting more like into the construction field, and then we're going to bring it back to the estimators to put a final budget on it. So that's a little bit of a different hat that we're wearing this morning.
It's exciting though, and we love working together.
It's a nice little project, and hopefully, everything will work smooth. Be like a little bit of time involved.
Thanks, Steve. This is Krista. She's one of our star field supers, and she runs the men in the field when she's on a job. She stays on the job from concept to completion. Why don't you tell them what you do?
Yep, so after we have a job, just deal with scheduling and making sure the job gets done on time and, looking to get the projects done and complete for the client.
And for any other woman that wants to be a field super, it's a great career. And Krista is like, the pioneer, one of the pioneers in this, and I think it's really great to see other women in the field. And this is Tracy Peterkin. Tracy is my partner and CFO, and she runs all the finances for Evergreen Construction. Tracy, why don't you tell them what you do?
Well, I don't have the sexy job, but I'm here making sure that there's a lot of magic going on behind the scenes. Part of the responsibility are making sure our crew are happy and paid, their benefits are up to date. Happy crew means happy client.
It's important that we love doing what we do, and I think it's important that we are all a family and we act like a family. We're here together so much every day, so it's great to work with people that you love.
And our mission in empowering women is really, Barbara really takes that to heart and pulls it out all the time.
You can do it.
I mean, we are the real thing, and it's wonderful.
We are here to help. And last, but certainly not least, is my assistant, Summer.
Well, Barbara is a really busy lady, and she needs a lot of varied support and different types of support. And I try to be the giver of that support, of all things.
And you do a great job. She basically runs and supports everyone here at Evergreen Construction, and so many of the other things that I'm doing, including my Diva toolkits. And I created a line of tools for women called Diva by Barbara Kay, and that was really to empower women in the home. So these toolkits are great to show women how to improve, fix, and replace a lot of things in their home or office. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and until next time, we look forward to seeing you then.